Trump administration is planning to cut thousands of visas for Chinese graduate students and professors because of allegations they have links to Chinese military, according to multiple reports published on Thursday. The plan, first reported by New York Times, would see the administration cancel visas for individuals who have direct ties to universities affiliated with China's People's Liberation Army. It would affect at least 3,000 individuals currently studying or researching in the US. Those who are in the US would have their visas cancelled and would be expelled, while others who are currently abroad would not be allowed to return. There are currently about 360,000 Chinese students studying in the US, according to the reports, which are based on comments from anonymous officials who were unauthorized to discuss the matter ahead of its public unveiling. The looming action comes as the US and China remain locked in a bitter period in their relations amid the coronavirus pandemic, which Washington says Beijing made worse on allegations it witfully misled the international community about the virus severity. The feud has spilled into a number of arenas, most recently China's action to extend security laws to Hong Kong, which the US has strongly criticized and took action that would open the door to curtailing the region's special trade and financial statuses. Officials who defended the Trump administration's visa plan told the New York Times that ties between the Chinese military and universities it has an affiliated with go far deeper than mere campus recruiting. An official said the Chinese government not only has a hand in selecting students from schools who can study abroad, but in some cases, students who are selected to study outside of the country are then expected to collect information in quid pro quo that would see them having their tuition paid. One official who spoke to the Times declined to lay out specific intelligence. Amid the possible action from the Trump administration, 3 US senators announced legislation Wednesday that would restrict Chinese nationals from receiving visas to study science, technology, engineering, and mathematics at the graduate or the postgraduate levels. It would also impose restrictions on Chinese foreign talent recruitment programs. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give us a like and also don't forget to subscribe. And not just subscribe, ring the bell so that you don't miss any video from our channel.